Imagine teeth as silent sentinels guarding the gate to our self-confidence. Unfortunately, these guardians are often overlooked, and the walls that protect our oral health can be under constant attack. In this scenario, hope emerges in the form of a supplement, DentaFend, a modern hero designed to not only protect, but also restore the damage caused by the battles against gingivitis and periodontitis. The oral health stage. Imagine a theater stage, where teeth are the protagonists and gums are the scenery. DentaFend steps in as the director, determined to fix the flaws in the oral health roadmap. Its unique composition is like a well-trained cast, each ingredient playing its part to ensure the oral hygiene spectacle is unforgettable. The DentaFend plot. DentaFend is not just a supplement, it is a narrative of healing and empowerment. Like a skilled writer, he chooses ingredients wisely, creating a plot where essential nutrients come together to correct the twists and turns caused by tooth decay and gum problems. The captivated audience. DentaFend's popularity is like the deafening applause of a captivated audience. Those who face the hardships of oral health find relief in this supplement, an attractive alternative amid the daily drama of oral care. It's a spectacle that has gained the attention of those who want an easier and more effective solution to protect their gums and teeth. The ease of use plot. Imagine an easy-to-follow script where complexity is replaced by simplicity. DentaFend stands out as a simplified version of oral care, offering an easier approach to maintaining oral health. In a world where daily routine is often tumultuous, this ease of use is like a memorable line of dialogue that everyone remembers. The healing epic. DentaFend is not just about prevention, it's about healing. Imagine a hero who not only defends the kingdom but also heals the wounds of past battles. This supplement claims the ability to not only protect gums and teeth, but also initiate a healing process for existing damage. Criticism of studies and evidence. Just as a theater critic analyzes each act and scene, the effectiveness of DentaFend needs to be examined with the magnifying glass of science. While the supplement's narrative is compelling, it is imperative that independent studies and scientific evidence are considered to validate its claims. DentaFend's true strength is measured by the strength of these fundamentals. The theater of health without side effects. No show is perfect without a cohesive cast, and DentaFend claims to have no negative side effects. This is like the happy ending everyone hopes for after a tumultuous journey. However, as with any production, it is prudent to consult behind the scenes in the medical community before fully committing to the supplement's narrative. The conclusion. Ultimately, DentaFend is a remarkable act on the oral health stage. Its proposition to offer a comprehensive, easy-to-use and potentially curative solution to gum and dental problems is worthy of attention. However, as with all stories, the wisdom lies in in-depth research, critical assessment and, if necessary, guidance from healthcare professionals. When considering DentaFend as part of your oral care journey, remember that the real magic is in the combination of knowledge, science and informed choices. In this health stage, your decision is the main plot, and the health of your teeth and gums is the valuable prize to be won. Product link in comments.